what's happening is there's unstable
Oh,
layer on top of that. We call that a cap, and that's preventing these thunderstorms from breaking that cap to break in some places north of Houston later on today. Temperatures are falling once again, mid-70s for most, upper 60s along the coast. We're going to see fog in Galveston.
what? What are you talking about?
So rain chances increase really late this afternoon, early evening. That's when we stand to see the best chance of being in the thunderstorms. We'll talk more about this and the coming cold to follow. All that in your forecast.